Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Audible.
Have you enjoyed your weekend?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. All guys, no. You all prepared SQL?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then did you all completed that assignment which I shared you on Saturday?
Ma'am, file
Yes,
doesn't
ma'am.
open, ma'am. Not ma'am.
The first one is completed, but second one is not completed.
Okay, so you people have some doubts. Okay, this evening I have shared you that related to the table schema. Have you all executed it?
Yes, ma'am. Executed.
Okay. Anyone pending? Please execute it because we are working on that today. And I hear that some people still have doubts on creating table and all. Who is it? Anyone have doubts on creating table by using constraints?
Then between, like, I don't know. First part is completed, but second one is not completed.
Yeah, okay. Assignment, we'll talk about it. I'm asking about the table creation.
Um, mm,
Ma'am, can you once again explain how to create constant like primary key, foreign key?
Primary key, foreign key. And anyone else?
and also, ma'am, between
Table
and
creation.
operator. Ma'am,
Between
between and operator.
between and operator.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And anyone? Okay, fine then. Primary key and foreign key. Let me share the screen and so is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So primary key.
Actually, ma'am, which table you give at afternoon when I execute that table, department table,
Okay.
I faced some warning. There is warning is integer display width is decrypt and will be removed of future like this. Not created any table names department.
You got an error.
Not error, man. It's warning, but table did not create.
Okay, you can ignore those warnings. That's not a problem.
But table not created.
Table
No,
not
table got
created.
created. Despite having the warning, table got created.
Yes, table created. Once you check it.
Yes.
Okay, so have you people read the documents? Constraints. Okay, who have doubts on primary key? So you people understood not null and unique, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is not null?
An empty value.
రాసుంటే ఎలా నాలుగు వేలు
Not in.
Not null is nothing but the table should contain some data in that column. Okay, it should not be empty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yeah, when you are inserting data into that table, if you are not inserting the data in that particular column which you have created as not null, then it will not insert that data. It will create some error because we have already given that constraint as not null. And what is unique?
It will not accept duplicate value.
Yes, it will not accept duplicate values. So primary key contains that both not null and unique. It's a combination of both, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
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 So primary key constraint is a combination of not null and unique constraints, and column declared as primary key cannot store null value and also duplicates. So you understood these 2 points
Yes, ma'am.
in this document.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so a table can have only one column declared as primary key. That means if you are creating a table, okay, so in that table there may be a multiple columns, but you can create a primary key only once. Okay, so if you are creating an id and you give it as int and next primary key you declare, so that is fine. And the next one coming to the other like roll number, so even if you want to give it as roll number as primary key, it will not accept because primary key the table should contain only once. Okay, so and next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you understood, right? So I'm explaining these constraints again, and next I will pick you one of the people. You should write a table syntax and I'll give you what to write and all. And next, table containing primary key column is called master table or parent table. That means when you have declared a primary key to the table, that is called master table or parent table. And the table which you are created a foreign key and connecting to the parent table is called a child table. Okay, so you understood about primary key, or still you have any doubts on it?
Clear, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see the query where you write on department table query? There is a primary key is there.
Okay,
Actually, I didn't understand that line. There is constraint department ID primary key.
I just executed it, but I didn't get any problem. Okay, wait, let me check. Which table it is? Table name?
Department.
Okay. Department, create table department, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, here constraint department ID PK. It means
Department ID PK is nothing but a primary key. We are giving a name to it. Okay. So there are 2 ways. One is you can directly give primary key and in that bracket which column you want to make it as primary key. And another one is constraint, because you already know that primary key is a constraint and you are giving it as constraint, and this primary key which you are creating, you are giving it as name, department ID, PK. So this is nothing but on which column you are creating, you are giving that as department ID, PK. So this is a primary key name you are giving. Understood? Or else if you feel
Yes, ma'am.
difficult, you can directly give it as primary key and in the bracket department ID. Okay? Or else this is the standard syntax actually, constraint and the constraint name and the primary key, and in that the column which you are making it as primary key. So what's your doubt actually?
This is the only doubt is there. It's
Okay, now you try to execute it, whether it's getting any error or not. For everybody, it is
ma'am.
executed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. And what about foreign key? You people have still doubts on it?
Ma'am, can you once again explain the foreign key?
Okay. Foreign key, I think last time on Paint, I was giving you some example. Yeah. So, wait, let me show you. Here you see this departments, okay? So this is what department table. Here we have created a primary key as department ID, okay? You understood? So what I have
ma'am.
told that the table which contains primary key is called a what? Parent table.
Parent
right?
table.
Yes. So
Master.
yes, master or parent table. So which table it is now? Department parent table, right?
Department.
Okay, and in that department table, department name, there are multiple department names are here, and we have created ID and HOD. HOD means the department heads. And now this students table. Students table contains ID, name, and that student belongs to which department. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now we can directly give it here department instead of 1, 2, 3 and all. We can directly give CSE and EEE. That's it. We can give like that. But why we are creating another table and why we are connecting? Do you know people why? Okay. So if some of the students, that means the students from CSE department are going to shift to mechanical department, then it is very difficult because we have to edit everything here. Like who is converting from CSE to ECE, we should edit it CSE, and where it is CSE, we have to edit it as EEE like that. The student who is going to shifting from one team to one department to another department. But instead of making editing all those, we can directly link it to here. So let me erase this and okay. So here students are there. Okay. Okay. So here 5 students are there. Okay. So the first A is belongs to 3 department. Okay. So when we are giving that 3, it will check whether that 3 is there in that parent table or not. So foreign key is like a link between two tables. So when we are assigning that department ID as 3, so it will check whether it is there in that. It will not allow unauthorized data. Just for the referential integrity, it is using foreign key. So if I want to insert it as 5, so will it work?
No,
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, why it won't work? Anybody?
because there is no ID number as 5.
Yes, that's what referential integrity. So without there is data, how it will insert it? So this is what checking is. So if we don't have department table and we directly inserting like 1, 2, 3, and we can make a mistake sometimes like 5 and all. So that is not correct, right? Because without having that another department, how can we insert the data? That's what referential integrity check. So it will check while inserting data whether that in that parent table that data is there or not. So I'm going to give here 2 because B belongs to department 2 Triply. So it will insert or not? For the student number 2, department 2, I have inserted. So will it insert?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so because 2 is there in that parent table, right? So you understood the foreign key?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what it's telling here, foreign key is a set of attributes that references primary key of another table for its identity. So foreign key, what will do? It refer to the primary key of another table. Okay. So it should be a primary key or else any unique one, but not repeated. Why? Because it should, if you are connecting a foreign key table to the parent table, then that ID, that any column must be unique. Like I already told you, if there is 1 here and there is also 1 here and we are declaring it as 1. So which will it refer? This one or this one? It will make confusion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's why whenever we are connecting the child table to the parent table, that ID or any column, it must be unique or else primary key. Okay. Because primary key or unique, it will not accept duplicates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And next, what it's saying. So foreign key constraint is mainly used to establish the relationship between multiple tables. It's like a relationship, like it's a connectivity between two tables. So before inserting the data, it will check whether that data is there in that main table, in that parent table or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, foreign key constraint is also called as referential integrity constraints. So it will refer to the main table. So that is nothing but integrity, no duplicates, no nothing is there. So if any column assigned with foreign key constraints, then that column can store duplicates and also it can store null values. That means if any column assigned with foreign key constraint. So that means here, which column we are making it as foreign key here? Department, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so it can contain duplicates. That's not a problem because as students, many of the students have the same department, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
One student will be Triply or ECE, on another student also ECE. So we should not make it as primary like that. It should accept duplicates. So that's why it's telling here, if any of the column need to be declare, oh, if any column assigned with foreign key constraint, then that column can store duplicates. So it will store duplicates, and also it can store null values. If you didn't give any values also, it will insert. Okay. If you didn't give any value means it will make it as null. That's it. No values are there. If any of the column need to be declared as a foreign key, then that column should be primary key in another table. I already told you that if you are connecting that foreign key table to the parent table, then that ID must be a primary key because it should not accept any duplicates, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and next, a table can have more than one column as foreign key. And what here it's saying means, if here is a table, right? If you have some more columns like ID, name, department is there. Here there may be a roll number or maybe contact, so marks like that. So there may be multiple columns. So a table can have more than foreign keys. Okay. Here is a department column is there, so it will associate with department table. Here marks column is there, so it will associate with marks table. Okay. So that means a table can contain multiple foreign keys. Okay, multiple link ups to another tables. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or am I going fast? Shall I test slowly?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. A table can have more than one column as foreign key, so you understood. And the next, a table containing foreign key is called as what? I already told you, child. Okay. Okay, so you all people understood, right? So let me give a table name and the columns also. So I will call some guys. They will tell me, they should tell me how I should create a table. Okay. Or else if you have a system, you can share your screen and write a query. That's not a problem to me. Okay. So table name, what should I give? Table name, anybody? Okay.
Student.
Okay, store. And column names, ID, and the product, ID, product, price, stock. So I have given 4. Who is going to create a table? Wait, let me call. This is a small table. 2 people left, 3 people left. Vijay Mokashi. Who is it? Are you there? Vijay Mokashi. Hello, Vijay. Are you there or not? Okay, Soumya, who is Soumya? Are you there? Soumya. No one will give response. Yeah, everyone is sleeping. Huh? You're just connecting. That's it. And you're doing your work. Who is Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then you connected through PC or phone?
And PC.
PC. So can you share your screen and can you write this table schema?
Okay. Okay, ma'am, I will try. I will share my screen. Okay.
Yeah, okay. And you copy these and
Okay, ma'am. Give me 1 minute. I will share my screen.
okay. Do I need to give access to you?
No, ma'am. Please co-host me. After that, I will share my screen.
Okay. Okay. Stop sharing.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible. You done the assignment.
First part is, ma'am, almost completed, but second part is not completed.
Okay, that's not a problem. I will tell you. You first create a table.
Okay. Ma'am, please tell me once again. Don't know.
Okay, the table name is store.
Sure.
Yes.
And create table name.
Yes, you're right. Table name, in the table name, you should keep it as store.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. After that.
After that, what? Open the bracket.
Which background?
Yeah, the same.
Okay. Ma'am, give me 1 minute.
Okay, and the next, the column name should be ID, product, price, stock.
ID. ID, product and
Price,
price.
stock.
Ma'am, it's shows error.
Okay, so where are the data types and where are the constraints? Where you need to create data type? For every column, there should be a data type. So you have created
Yes, ma'am.
ID, product, price, and stock. For the ID, we have to create a data type, and for the product, and for the price, and next stock. So you know the data types?
Yes, ma'am, I know, but I can't execute that.
So you people are not preparing.
IT is
Yes, ma'am.
integer type.
Prepared.
Okay, open the bracket once. Yeah, what you have written, that is correct. Create table, Abhishek, and you should give
Yes,
a
ma'am.
table name.
Okay.
Space.
Sorry.
Table space. Show.
Sorry.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah.
Open the bracket and next what? ID.
ID marker.
ID is not a string.
ID int.
ID int,
ID
Yes.
not
int.
null.
ID int primary key.
ID should not be null. So ID in primary key and it will accept only unique values. Primary key, not PK. ID in primary key. Okay, comma.
No, not underscore. Only
No need
space.
to
Primary
give
space key.
underscore. Give just space. That's it. Yes. Yes. And next, which product? Product.
Actually, ma'am, I am not practiced that one.
Okay. Product is what
That's why
type?
it's good.
String or int?
Int,
Product
String
is
type.
what?
String type.
String.
Never care.
Yes.
Varchar.
Why you are erasing again? Product is string. So we should make it as varchar.
string.
For the strings, we should make it as varchar. Yes, that's it. And open the bracket and you give the size.
Okay. 1 minute.
Open the bracket. Okay, that's it. And next, comma, not semicolon. Because there are still
Not
2 columns. Are there.
stories. Book is there.
And next one is price.
Price.
Price. Okay.
Int price.
Float.
Float.
Int. Okay. Float. And next, what is that value?
Float value must be quantity.
Okay, open the bracket. So no one is practicing it, yeah.
I am not practicing, ma'am. That one I am not practicing.
So what should we keep there?
Ma'am, float value must be contents point. Na?
Okay, give some number. And the next comma, 200. Don't give 200.
First parameter left side and second parameter is point after this value.
You can directly
Five.
give with the float
5,2.
one. Okay, then keep it as 20. That's it. Yes.
Okay.
Next comma.
Yes.
And next which one? Stock. Stock. Make it as int. Close it. Close. Yes, semicolon. Try to execute it. Yeah, you need not to select all those actually.
No. No, it's showing error.
Show me error. What is that error?
No error.
It is created.
Yeah. No,
Okay. So Abhishek, prepare how to create a table and all. And tomorrow also I will call you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And tomorrow also you are going to create a table.
Yes,
मैंने
ma'am.
आपको कॉल किया था 10 डेज पहले, आपने बताया था कि आप गांव में हैं।
Who is
मुझे
there?
वो जो
Unmute
दीवार
yourself.
में जो पानी ये चल रहा है उससे रिलेटेड काम करवाना था। तो कि
Akanksha.
आप
Who is Akanksha?
Ma'am,
Okay, Abhishek, you stop your screen share.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the price and the stock, it is in float type or integer type? Both, na?
Okay, so for stock, how can you give that as float and all? The product will be half off, will it?
Yeah, ma'am. So I give it to it as an integer.
So for the products, you should count how? How you count the products? In a floating point number?
No, ma'am.
No, right?
Integer.
Yes, ma'am.
And next, for the price, it will be a float, right? Like it
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be decimal, fractional numbers will be there. So you should
Yes,
give
ma'am.
as here you can give for the price as what? Float, decimal, double.
Okay, ma'am.
So in that columns, which values are going to store? Based on that, you have to give the data types. Okay. And for the stock and all, the stock should not be like 1.2, 12.3. It should not be like that, right? Stock.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And the next one, the next person. Okay. Who is Priyamda? Are you there? Priyamda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So did you complete the assignment which I gave you on Saturday?
Yes, ma'am. I've done.
You're done?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's good. Okay, then can you share your screen and show me the solutions?
Ma'am, I have joined through mobile because today I don't have Wi-Fi. I have joined through mobile data. So can I share? Like, can I share its document in group only?
In group? No, not in group because someone has to do it still. Okay, then you do one thing.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have
Yes,
that
ma'am, tell me.
questions, right?
Yeah, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Then which questions are there? Task assignment. Okay. So someone told me that they have doubts on which second session, between and operator.
Yes, ma'am. I have told that.
Okay. You people didn't see that I have already shared the solutions for that in the assignment itself.
I'm not sure that.
Okay. Okay, Priyanda, you tell me that not between and operator in the second session, first query. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or shall I ask you the question?
Um, yes, ma'am. You asked not between and operator.
Yes. The first question.
Mm-hmm. 45 to. Wait, ma'am, I'm telling.
And everyone, you people did that, written that first question query or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is easy. There is no difficulty here. Okay. And who didn't wrote this query? Priyanda, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you see that question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then tell me.
It's a Rich and Davis.
So you don't know this query, how to write it?
I know, ma'am. I know. Can I share my screen, ma'am? Can I join through laptop? Give me 2 minutes only. You can proceed ahead. You can ask from other student. I'll join through laptop and I'll share my screen.
Now?
Is it fine, ma'am?
Okay.
Because I've joined through laptop. I have to join through
No, you just tell me the query. That's it. If you see the question, you can
Give me
directly
2
tell
minutes,
me.
ma'am, please.
Shall I make it as a co-host? Okay. 2 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Guys, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, and who is that girl who's sharing? Is she left or there? Okay, so Sai Prasanna, are you there? Sai Prasanna. Just give a response.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
It's Premada.
Okay, so can you share your screen?
Yeah, ma'am, I'll share.
Okay, then I'll make you as wait. Sorry, where are you? Priyamda, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Stop share. Okay, you can share your screen now. Okay, you created the table which I have given. Okay, then the second part, first query. Where is it? Did you mute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm here. This one.
Yes, the first.
This one, ma'am.
Yes, that one. The first one, first one.
Okay, okay.
The salary is not in the range 45,000 to 84,000. How to write that query?
Employee where okay. One column.
I need to get the employee details who are not in that given salary range. Okay, so I understood that you people are not at all preparing. You are not at all listening the classes and not following the notes, right?
No, ma'am. Preparing, ma'am.
Okay, so can anybody tell me that how to write that query?
Yes, ma'am. I can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, someone tell me please.
Select employee ID,
employee.
commission PCT, job ID,
See,
salary
Priyamda,
from employee,
they are telling you, you write that query.
salary.
Someone tell it to her.
Select employee ID.
Select employee ID.
Permission. Remove,
Comma.
remove star. Remove that bracket.
Yes.
From employee after
Mm.
salary.
No. Remove that semicolon.
Yeah. You have added
Give
that
space there
column name.
from
Then
employees.
from which table? From employee.
From
Employees.
Employee.
Where?
Salary. Where?
Space where? Salary.
Not
Mm,
between 45 and
and 84,000.
Where salary not
Space not. Write in letters. Space
not.
not.
NOT not. You should write that.
Write in letters. Not. NOT. Not space between. Space between.
Where salary not between 45,000 and what? In between two
And
is not.
84.
You should
And
press N.
And
So Priyamda, now you understood how to write that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call you tomorrow again. You should write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and next.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, just one thing. Out of those questions, I have a doubt in one question. That is first part ka question number 6.
First part.
हाँ.
Which question?
Relational operator 6.
Yes, okay. There is a date in that.
हाँ, hired after, no, that
Okay.
question.
So what?
That
what's
one
your
I am
doubt
not
in that?
able to find. So in the where part where you put the condition, I have written where higher date not equal to bracket me, I have written less than 20 Feb 2011. I am not sure if that is the correct format. I am not able to figure that out. Rest I have solved, but this one I am not able to.
So did you understand the question?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. What's that question tells?
So we require the employees who are hired after that date which is given 20 Feb.
Okay, so that means what will be the output?
After the higher date, give greater than symbol, then comes the output.
Yes, you should give it as greater than because it's asking the employees who are greater than that date.
Okay.
Who
Fine,
had
understood
after.
now.
So you understood? So
Yeah, higher date is greater than 20 Feb. That's what you're saying, no?
First, you people
Okay.
try to understand the question. Okay, it's so
Yeah.
simple. Whether it is after or before or in between or greater than, less than, and then only you can write the queries. Okay.
Okay, yeah, understood.
Okay, Arpita Jaina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yesterday also, I think on Friday I called you, right? But you didn't respond to me.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, did you complete the assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes.
Okay, so you connected through PC or not?
Not mobile.
Okay, so you have questions with you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so did you write that first question? I mean, relational operator assignment first question query?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me that query.
Select
Okay.
employee name
I didn't
From
ask you,
employee.
Arpita,
Yeah.
I didn't ask you that particular column names. I just mentioned there for all the employees. That means what should you keep there? If I
From
mention
which question?
the first question, relational operators assignment.
Okay, ma'am. Query select employee name
Okay.
from employee where employee salary greater than 800, 8,500 semicolon.
Acha. Okay, Arpita. First, you need to understand the question. What's the question says? Write a query to display the rows from employees table for all the employees. Okay. So here I haven't mentioned which columns you need to give the output. I said directly for all the employees and I didn't mention any column names there. So you should keep select star from employees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If I mention any column names like employee ID, job ID like that, then you have to keep that. If I didn't mention anything, you should keep it as select star. Okay, don't forget it.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Select star from employees where salary greater than 18,500.
18,500.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call you next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, question number 7. Write a query to display the details of the employees if their annual salary is greater than 25,000.
Okay.
And at that, select star from employees where salary, annual salary says that annual salary, that means salary into 12. After that, alias name is common. Hello.
Yes, yes. You can tell me.
Select star from employees where salary into 12 as annual salary, then put comma salary greater than 25,000. But that one is not working.
But that one is not working.
That will not gives the output.
That is not giving you the output.
No.
Acha. Can you share your screen once?
Okay. Then. Give me one. I think I will give some mistake. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, please go.
Okay, where is your query?
Sorry. I have deleted that.
Just Control Z.
Okay, ma'am.
Control Z.
No, ma'am. I will write it.
Okay. First, try to fetch the table. From which table you are fetching
Employee
the
table.
Huh?
Employee table.
Employee table. So first try to fetch that table and see what are the column names and all. If the column names you should give. Okay. Select star from
1 minute.
employee or yes, employees.
Employees. That one I think. That one is my mistake.
Where?
I think that one is my mistake. At that.
Where salary into 12.
Into 12.
Why you are giving their alias name? Where salary into 12, make it as in bracket and then greater than. Just remove that as
Okay, ma'am.
salary and all.
Okay.
Salary into 12.
Salary into 12.
Greater
After that,
than
greater than.
what? Greater than 25,000.
25,000.
Now try to execute it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, executed. Thank you.
Okay, fine. You should all practice it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Don't gain half of knowledge, everyone.
Yeah.
When you are preparing, you should prepare it completely.
Yes, ma'am. Now stop screen sharing.
Yeah, you can stop it.
Okay.
And in the previous assignment, which I shared you on Saturday, anybody have doubts in that?
No, ma'am.
I'm giving you one more day, and everyone, please share your assignments to me. No one is giving response
it's
to the group,
lagging
whether you people are
right now.
completed
Yes,
it
ma'am.
or not.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, if you are done means make it as done
Completed,
in
ma'am.
the group. Okay, and the remaining people, please
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
it. And yeah, I have prepared another document which contains all the syntaxes in it. So you try to practice it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, and tomorrow I'm gonna teach you that about group by and having class, and that is very important to you people, and that is related to aggregate functions. If you are doing aggregate functions and all, then you have to work with group by and all. So be ready and prepare that syntaxes and all, and everyone should complete that assignment by tomorrow. Again, I will ask you people, and you have to answer it. Don't come with incomplete answers and all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Anybody have doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the sample tables ka text file that you have shared, no, over there DDL, DML statements, you have to copy and paste in this MySQL workbench, or there is some another way for importing?
Which one?
The one you shared in the evening, na, the tables.
Yeah, that is executed for everyone. Then which doubt you got?
No, I'm asking that we can copy and paste in the workbench, or there is some another way, like,
No,
for
no.
import.
You just copy that everything and paste it in the database and try to execute it.
Okay, fine. ठीक है फिर.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow, and be practice it. Don't come here and just listening and don't waste your time. You're just here just for preparing and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.